just created a DigitalOcean account and we've learned how can we earn $50 credit. So let's move down to the billing, and if we open billing here, we can see that our balance is $55 because we've just paid $5 from my PayPal account and we've earned $50. Okay, this is awesome. So now let's open our account or my account and let's create a droplet. So let's say create a droplet. So we're gonna use Debian and we're gonna get the latest version, okay? And our plan is standard, and we're gonna use the one with $5 for month, which has 1 giga CPU, 25 giga SSD disk, and 1000 gigabyte transfer. Okay, so let's move down. We can choose the server that is closer to us or closer to our students or the one who are opening our blog. So let's leave it as Amsterdam actually. So I'm not gonna play with the additional options. One-time password. And let's move down. This is the name of our droplet, and we don't need tags actually. Let's move down. And we can enable backup for $1 per month on DigitalOcean. You can check this, but I'm not gonna check this. So let's create our droplet. So creating our droplet will take some time actually, as we can see. And when creating the droplet finish, we will get a Gmail or a message on our Gmail containing our root password and our root username and password. So let's wait. So now we have our droplet ready, and this is the droplet IP. Okay, so now let's open Gmail. I'm gonna open Google, and I'm gonna switch my account to the account I used to sign up in DigitalOcean. This account, and I'm gonna open Gmail. So now I should have a message containing my username and the password, and I'm gonna use them for the first time to log in, and DigitalOcean will ask me for changing this password, and we will change it. Then we will update our server, then we will start creating and installing the necessary files. So I have an article on Medium which contains all the information we're gonna need in this tutorial, and I'm gonna leave this article on Medium link in the description, and I'm gonna use it in the next lecture. So let's open this, your new droplet. So now this is the droplet name, this is the IP address, and this is the root, and this is the password. So we can use those information to log into our droplet. So let's open terminal, another one actually, and let's make it kind of bigger. Okay, so let's clear the screen, let's edit this, and let's start logging to our droplet. So now we're gonna say SSH root add, and we're gonna take our IP address. We're gonna take it from here or from here, copy. So let's hit enter, and the authentication of the host cannot be established. Are you sure you wanted to continue? We're gonna say yes. So let's wait the root password. So we're gonna take this password that DigitalOcean sent our Gmail, and let's add it. Let's hit enter, and now DigitalOcean will ask us for changing our password for root. So we need to add a new password. So I'm gonna type my new password. Connection closed. Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have written the current password, not the old one. So let's clear the screen and let's connect. Connection refused. So let's open. So let's close the session. So we're gonna say SSH root at this IP address. Okay. So now we need the root password. So let's open this and let's get this password. And it will ask us to change the password. So first we need to write the current password. Then we need to write the new password. Again. So now we've just changed our password. And if you faced this issue again, the issue of connection refused, you can try this solution, which I found in DigitalOcean. Try this command in your shell and it will fix the issue. Sudo net state bl10. Okay, so now we've just changed our password. So we need to update and upgrade our droplet. So I'm going to say sudo apt get update. So we're just updating our droplet, okay? And sudo apt get upgrade. Yes, so this will install all the upgrades to our Debian server. So now we've just created a droplet, then we've taken the credentials from our Gmail, the username and the password, then we've logged using the SSH, and if you faced the issue of connection refused, you're gonna use the command I showed to you 1 minute before, and we're gonna just update and upgrade our droplet. So now our server is up and running with the latest version of its packages, and now it's our time that we start creating our virtual environment, installing Django, installing or at least installing the necessary packages for our server to running. And we're gonna do this in the next lecture. See you next lecture.